Need a smarter way to manage business spending? Ramp offers a modern finance platform combining corporate cards, expense management, and bill payments into one seamless system. It's designed to give businesses real-time visibility and control over their spending, automating expense reports, and identifying savings opportunities. Ramp aims to eliminate manual tasks, reduce waste, and streamline financial operations for growing companies. For example, your team can get virtual credit cards with custom spending limits for each vendor, instantly track expenses with automated receipt matching, and pay bills directly within the platform, saving hours monthly. However, Ramp isn't for every business. While powerful, its comprehensive features might be overkill for very small businesses or those with simple expense needs. Some users report a learning curve when adopting the full suite of tools, and integration with certain legacy accounting software can sometimes be less fluid than advertised. While generally praised, customer support occasionally receives feedback about response times during peak periods. As with any financial technology, initial setup can require careful data migration to ensure accuracy and full benefit realization. What's your thought?